Welcome to the From Scratch Body. I'm Liv. Forget about buttermilk chicken. Today we are making Nuttermilk chicken. Nuttermilk chicken is tender bits of chicken breast soaked in coconut cream and covered in finely chopped nuts and desiccated coconut for a crispy coating. Cut 2 large chicken breast fillets into chicken tender pieces and then marinade in a coconut cream or coconut milk. Preheat your oven to about 180 degrees Celsius. Take 3 separate bowls and fill one with flour, one with whisked eggs, and the third with nuts and coconut. You can do any nuts you want. I've done a bit of hazelnut, almond, cashew, and pecans all together. You also add some desiccated coconut and some salt and pepper and any other seasoning of your choice and mix well. Take each piece of the chicken out of the coconut cream, cover it in flour, then in the whisked egg, and finally cover it well in the nut coconut mix. Place the pieces on the covered baking tray and drizzle some olive oil over them. Cook in the oven for about 15 minutes, turning halfway through. If you want to crisp them up even further, you can change to the grill setting on your oven for the last minute or so. Or there is of course the option of frying them in a pan, which is just slightly less healthy. It's up to you. These crispy chicken tenders will stop you from ever wanting a cheap chicken takeaway meal again. They are lovely with a mash or with a coleslaw. Make sure that you check out my video on a simple coleslaw as well. Do remember to subscribe so I can make more videos like this in the future, and hit the like button as well if this was a useful recipe for you. I'll see you in the next one.